guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the country in the AutoUncle app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoUncle app and you can see on the top, top right corner, this profile icon. You don't have to tap on it. Next to it you can see here the Germany's flag. If you tap on it, you can select the country where you would like to see a car. Tap on Netherlands, and this is how you change. You just tap on the flag. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.